Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Itlab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a Exp22 Excel of Capstone IntroAssessment travel. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and both are shown on my screen. Here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project, focusing on Exp22 Excel Capstone Intro Assessment Travel. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Step number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name. Basically in this step we will have to download Excel workbook from Itlab dashboard. I have already downloaded Excel file from Pearson Itlab dashboard. You can download this. Okay, I have done first step. Now moving on step number 2. Step number 2 is that rename sheet 1 as a DC 2017. On worksheet as the original default name, sheet 1 you want to give the worksheet as a meaningful name. Rename sheet 1 as a DC 2017. Okay, rename this sheet. Right click on this, rename as a DC 2020, then press enter. Okay, it will be renamed. I have done 2 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 4. Step number 4 is that select and cut column F, insert cut column in B1. Select and cut column F, insert cut column in B1. Basically step we will have select column F and then I will cut this and insert this column B into B1. You want to move the year completed column between the memorial and 2002 columns. Select and cut column F, insert cut column in B1. I have done this assignment many times for many students. Okay, first we select and cut column F. Okay, right click on this and cut this and paste in column B1, insert cells in B1 and then insert cut cells in B1, then B1, right click on this and insert cell. Okay, it will be inserted in cell B1. I have done this step. You can see here I have done 3 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 4. Step number 4 is that now you want to separate the worksheet title and source from the date with a blank row. Insert a blank row between row 2 and 3. Basically in this step we will have to insert a blank row between row 2 and row 3. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. I am doing many student course now and I have provided 90 plus kit in their assignment. Okay, between 2 and 3 row. Okay, it will be inserted new row. Insert a blank row inserted. Now I have done 4 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 5. Step number 5 is that now you are ready to work with the DC 2020 worksheet. Your first task is to correct spelling error. Display the DC 2020 worksheet. Check the spellings and correct all misspelled words. Okay. Display. Basically in this step we will have to display DC 2020 worksheet. Then we will check spelling errors. Display the DC tools on 20 sheet, then go to review tab. Okay, display the sheet, then go to review tab and go to spellings. And check spell complete. Okay, it's done. I have done this step. Step number 5 is completed now of this assignment. Now moving on next step. Next step is that continue using the DC 2020 worksheet. You will format the headings on row 4. Select the range A4 to G4, wrap the text, apply current horizontal alignment and apply blue S5 letter 60% fill color. Basically in this step, select the range. First we will select the range, then we will apply wrap text, then we will go to alignment and center horizontal alignment and then apply blue S5. Then we will go to font colors, then we will apply blue S5 letter 60%, then we go to fill color. First we select this range. Okay, select this range and go to home tab and then select wrap text. Go to home tab, then select wrap text. Okay, apply center horizontal alignment. Go to alignment, then apply center horizontal. And apply blue S5 letter 60% fill color. Blue S5 letter 60% fill color. Okay, apply. Okay, it's done. I have done this step. Step number 6 is completed now. Now moving on step number 7. Step number 7 is that merge and center the title in the range A1 to G1. Apply blue S5 cell style and bold the title. Merge and center the title in the range A1 to G1. Apply blue S5 cell style and bold the title. Basically in this step, first we will select these ranges, then we will apply merge and center on the title, then apply blue S5 cell style, then go to the cell style, then apply blue S5 and bold the title, then go to home tab, then we will apply bold. You now want to format the title so that it's more prominent. First we will select this range, then merge and center. First we select this range and go to home tab, then merge and center. Okay, it will be merge and center. Then apply blue S5 cell style and apply bold the title. Blue S5 cell style. Go to home tab and go to cell style and then apply blue S5. Go to cell style, then apply blue S5. Okay. Blue S5 and bold the title. Go to home tab and then click on bold. This step is completed now. I have done this step. You can see on my instruction Excel workbook I have done this step now. Okay, I have done 7 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 8. Step number 8 is that the first column is too narrow for the name of memorial. You will increase the width to display the full memorial name. Change the width of column A to 34. Basically, in this step we will have to change the width of column A to 34. Click on column A, right click on column A, then we will change data in column A to 34. Okay. Go to the Excel workbook, then right click on column A, then we will click on column A, then change this data 34, then press OK. It will be changed with of column A. I have done this step. You can see here I have done this step now. Now moving on next step. Next step is that Sparkline provided visual representation of data. You will insert Sparkline for the data set. Sparkline provided representation of data. You will insert Sparkline for the data set. Select the range C5 to F10 and insert line sparkline in the range G5 to G10. First we will have select this range and then insert line sparkline. Go to the insert and then select sparkline and click on line sparkline and then put this second range, then sparkline will be inserted. First we select this range, then insert line spark. Go to the insert, then line. Okay, in the range of 5 to G10. Okay, enter this range. Okay, it will be inserted sparkline. Sparkline will be inserted here. You can see here I have done this step. I have done 9 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 10. Step number 10 is that select the range G5 to G10, display the hyphen sparkline marker and change the color of the hyphen marker to dark red. First we will select this range, then display the hyphen sparkline marker and change the color of hyphen marker to dark red. Basically, this step we will have to display hyphen sparkline marker and change the color of the hyphen marker to dark red. You can see here I have done 9 steps of this assignment. I am doing step number 10. I have done this assignment many times for many students from USA and Canada. They all got 100% grade, A+ grade in their exams. Okay, select this range. First, okay, display the high point sparkline markers. Okay, go to the sparkline, okay, markers and I display high point and change the color of high point markers to dark red. Change the color of marker color, click on marker color, high point colors to dark red. Okay, I have done this step. This step is completed now. You can see here. I have done this step. First click on sparkline, then click hyphen and go marker color on hyphen on color to dark red. Okay, I have done 10 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 11. Step number 11 is that you want to create a chart that compares the number of visitors for each memorial. Select the range A4 to A10 and C4 to F10 and create a cluster column chart. Apply the monochromatics palettes 12 chart color. Apply the gradient fill to the chart area. Do not change the default gradient option. Basically, this time we will select this range, then we will have to create a cluster column chart. Then we will apply chart color monochromatic palettes 12. Okay, then apply the gradient fill color to chart area. Then we select chart area, then apply gradient fill color on chart area. Okay, I have done this assignment. Okay, first we select this range A4 to A10. Select this range, then we will select second range. Click on control and select second range. For selecting second range, first we will click on control. Okay, press control and then select second range. Okay, C4 to F10. Then create a cluster column chart. Go to the insert tab. Then go to the recommended chart. Cluster column chart. Select OK. Apply the monochromatic palettes 12 chart color. You can say apply okay. Okay, apply the monochromatic palette 12 chart color. Go to chart color, change color, monochromatic palettes 12. Okay, this color is applied. Now apply the gradient fill to the chart area. Right click on chart area, then go to format. Right click on chart area, format chart area, fill color, gradient fill color. Gradient fill color. That's okay. Do not change the default gradient. Okay. Okay, I have done 11 step of this assignment. You can see here. For remaining step, or you want to do for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on a piece screen. I will provide you A+ credit your assignment, exam, quizzes and complete course. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.